Presenting Dell Vostro 3400 laptop. It has Windows 10 Home operating system and it weighs 1.59 kilograms. The laptop features 11th generation Intel Core i3-1115G4 processor, 6MB cache with up to 4.1 GHz maximum speed. It comes with Microsoft Office Home and Student 2019. The 4GB DDR4 2666 MHz RAM and Intel UHD graphics gives you a smooth performance. The 256GB M.2 PCIe NVMe solid-state drive and 1TB 5400 RPM 2.5-inch SATA hard drive makes sure that you can store all your music, movies and pictures. This laptop comes with 2.5 Wh lithium-ion battery. The 14-inch display with LED backlight Full HD, 1920 by 1080 pixels resolution, anti-glare and narrow border WVA provides you an immersive experience. The laptop comes with two USB 3.2 Generation 1 ports, one USB 2.0 port, one HDMI port, one Ethernet port, one headset jack and one SD media card reader. Inside the box you will find the laptop, power cable and adapter. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.